In this NerdByte episode, I'll show you how to send Postman API metrics to New Relic and monitor your APIs with the Postman integration and Quick Start. More than 17 million developers rely on the Postman API platform to design, build, test, and deploy APIs. DevOps engineers and API developers may want to visualize their API data in context with broader application deployments in New Relic, or they may simply want to bring real-time API functionality and performance metrics into an all-in-one observability platform. To bring Postman monitor data into New Relic, we'll start in the Postman API platform. I'll select Integrations, browse all integrations, and then search for New Relic. Note that there are two integrations available. Today we'll focus on bringing Postman monitor results into New Relic. This will give us key run level and request level metrics such as requests, errors, latency, and more. To configure the integration, I'll enter my nickname for the integration, type or select the name of the workspace containing the monitor I want to use, and then I select the monitor within it that I do want to use. Then I'll need an API key from New Relic, and I can click this link here, and that takes me straight to my API keys. Make sure to copy the ingest license key. So we'll bring that over and I can continue to fill that out. And just like that, I can add the integration. And with that, the Postman monitor sends metrics data to New Relic as soon as it runs. I can see all that new data available to me here in Data Explorer in New Relic under Metrics. And I can search for them by typing Postman at the beginning. And here I can see a list. So here's total latency, there's errors, failed tests, and more. For a full list of all the metrics that this Postman integration sends, visit the documentation in the link. And as you can see, now that I have all these metrics, I can query them and build charts with them manually, but luckily I don't have to thanks to the Postman Quick Start and New Relic Instant Observability. Now, I could go to the New Relic I/O homepage and search for the Postman Quick Start, but since I'm already in New Relic, I'll click on the I/O button and select the Postman Quick Start. This will take me through a guided install process, and since I've already installed the integration, I can skip most of the steps and head straight to see data. And instantly, I now get a dashboard that provides an opinionated view of my API metrics pre-built for me with the Postman team. Here, I can compare my average latency over time, as well as monitor any request or byte spikes that occur on these charts during that time. And I also get several time box tallies of key metrics, including 4xx and 5xx API responses, errors, and failed tests. And because it's a New Relic dashboard, it's fully customizable. I can edit the queries, the charts, or combine these pre-built charts with visualizations from across New Relic to correlate amongst application monitoring data and get full API observability with the Postman integration for New Relic. All New Relic customers can get started for free and use the API monitoring feature without any additional licenses, since integrations are included with the all-in-one New Relic observability platform.